Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best slime with clay is probably one of the most versatile and exciting craft materials available today, offering a unique tactile experience that combines the satisfying stretch of slime with the moldable fun of clay, making it a perfect choice for creators of all ages looking to bring their imaginative ideas to life through hands-on crafting and artistic expression. Number 5. Butter Chocolate Slime, 200 milliliters. Introducing our Butter Chocolate Slime, a delightful 200 milliliters tub of stretchy, scented fun. It's perfect for Easter baskets and endless playtime. Crafted from absolutely great material, it's completely playful for children. Please note, it is not edible and intended for children over 3 years old. Simply knead it a few times before playing for the best texture. This toy boosts creativity, develops motor skills, and enhances eye-hand coordination. It's a fantastic stress relief toy, ideal for party favors, birthdays, and educational fun. It helps children release anxiety and stay engaged for hours. This slime comes in a reusable plastic jar. Store it back inside when not in use to keep it fresh for your next slime experience. What we like. This butter slime is incredibly soft and stretchy, perfect for satisfying sensory play. It even comes with fun charms for added customization. If you're looking for a delightful slime experience that's easy to store and reuse, this is a fantastic choice for kids. What people say. The slime is very stretchy and easy to mold. The clay pieces are soft and blend well with the slime. It comes with a good amount of slime and clay for the price. Number 4. SCS Direct Maddie Ray Slime Clay, 2-pack. Elevate your slime creations with our amazing slime clay. It's the perfect addition to make your slime even more fun and unique. Each pack comes with 2 convenient 2-ounce bags of our specially formulated clay. This provides plenty for all your crafting needs. Experience the incredibly soft texture that's a joy to work with. You'll love how it doesn't stick to your hands, ensuring a clean crafting experience. Craft with confidence knowing that our clay is completely non-toxic. It's safe for kids and perfect for worry-free creative play. Achieve unique and creamy butter effects in your slime. This special foam formula allows for amazing textures and visual appeal. This versatile clay is ideal for all sorts of arts and crafts projects. It's also great for slime glue making, school projects, and as a fun gift for kids. What we like. Achieve unique creamy butter effects with this non-toxic and no-mess clay foam. It's designed for a smooth, non-sticky feel, making it ideal for arts and crafts. If you want a clean and easy way to create buttery slime textures, this is the perfect option for your next project. What people say. Made very good slime, does not smell, and did not dry out the slime. Works well with glossy textures. The texture is a bit on the harder side than normal soft clay, but it goes well with using silicone molds to create anything you like to offer with your slime additions. Came in individual packets each sealed in a plain foil-looking bag. Rip the top off to open. This should preserve them for quite a while and keep them from going bad. Very good clay. Very fun to play with and it add to slime. Number 3. GirlZone DIY Slime Kit Egg. Jump into this slime egg and create deliciously fun slime food like donuts and cake pops. This awesome slime making kit lets you explore the world of slime baking with tons of creative flair. Get hands-on with this slime kitchen kit and keep the screens away for hours of tactile play. Whip up slime donuts and ice cream treats for sweet cake adventures that are both relaxing and inspiring. Spark your creativity and coordination with this donut slime kit, perfect for crafting unique slime creations. It encourages cognitive development while bringing endless fun to playtime. Start your own slime ice cream shop with this ice cream slime kit, storing creations in adorable containers. Unleash your inner slime chef and let the creativity flow. This scented slime kit makes an amazing gift for girls who love artsy fun and DIY adventures. Packed with fluffy slime and cool add-ins, it's a surefire hit for birthdays or any special occasion. What we like. Embark on a creative slime adventure with this DIY kit themed around cakes and sweet treats. It allows you to make fun slime foods like donuts and ice cream, offering hours of screen-free, tactile play. If you have a child aged 7 or older who loves imaginative play and crafting edible-looking slime creations, this is a perfect gift. What people say. The quality is the best and the donuts are realistic looking. You get a lot of the clay. Great slime kit that comes in a large plastic egg. It contains everything you need to make different slime treats. The kit comes with lots of different add-ins including glitter, sprinkles, beads, coloring, soft clay and fragrance oils. Mixing the soft clay into the slime makes it easy to press into molds to form donut shapes. This kit comes with lots of moldable magic clay that dries solid. You then make frosting slime in chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry to drizzle on top. You then get to add sprinkles, foam balls, glitter, etc. and these are also plentiful. Number 2. Artsity White Air Dry Foam Clay, 24 set. Ignite your child's imagination and creativity with our super soft modeling clay. It's designed to be easy for little hands to shape, encouraging cognitive skill development away from screens. Your little artists can craft with confidence. This modeling clay is non-toxic, odorless, and free from common allergens, ensuring a safe and enjoyable creative experience. No oven or special equipment is needed. Simply let your creations air dry for 24 to 48 hours before painting, perfect for young artists who love to experiment. Enjoy a mess-free crafting session. This clay is easy to handle, doesn't stick to fingers or surfaces, and provides a fantastic way for children to engage in indoor activities. From molding and sculpting to creating prototypes and claymation, this versatile clay offers endless possibilities. It makes a wonderful and thoughtful gift for art-loving kids aged 3 and up. The ultralight and soft texture makes it incredibly easy for children to mold and shape. It's designed for hours of engaging, hands-on fun. What we like. This ultralight, air-dry modeling clay is perfect for boosting imagination and creativity without any mess. It's safe, non-toxic, and requires no baking, allowing for effortless sculpting and molding. If you're looking for a versatile and safe modeling material that dries on its own, this is an excellent choice for kids' arts and crafts. What people say. This ultralight, super soft modeling clay is designed to inspire creativity and provide hours of entertainment while being easy to work with. The clay's air-dry formula means no need for baking or cooking, allowing kids to create their masterpieces and let them dry naturally. The white color is neutral, making it a great base for painting or decorating, or it can be used as is for minimalist, modern designs. Number 1. DIY Clay Honey Slime, 7 ounces. Unleash your creativity with our DIY Clay Honey Slime Kit. It's a fun and engaging way to make your own unique slime creation. Experience the delightful jelly texture that's perfect for ASMR. Its soft, skin-friendly nature provides a wonderfully comfortable tactile sensation. This kit includes 7 ounces of jelly slime, 1 ounce of clear slime, a clay honeycomb, a fake bee charm, and a mini honey stick. You'll also get faux bee sprinkles for extra decoration. Enjoy the realistic and inviting scent of honey. It adds an extra layer of sensory enjoyment to your slime play. We've included 10 milliliters of activator to ensure your slime stays durable and long-lasting. It all comes in a strong, screw-top container for easy storage. Looking for a unique gift? This slime kit makes an excellent choice for birthdays and parties, offering hours of creative fun. What we like. Experience a wonderfully comfortable tactile sensation with this handmade jelly-textured slime. It features a realistic honey scent and comes with charming themed add-ins like a clay honeycomb and fake bee. If you love ASMR slime and are looking for a unique, sensory-rich experience with a delightful theme, this honey-themed slime is a must-try. What people say. So pretty, smells good, lots to play with, it feels nice and cool and smooth on your hands even when mixed. The base is super fun to play with. Smells very sweetly of mango and the toppings mix well. Activator included in the package. The texture of the slime is so good it's a jelly slime. The activator that it comes with works so good. The clay it's so soft and the charms are so cute. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.